LASCO is looking back on a successful company history. In April 1863, the iron foundry and engineering works Ernst Hütt was founded near the fortress of Coburg, which was the hour of birth for the LASCO enterprise. Innovative and entrepreneurial spirit quickly made the works well known beyond the borders of Franconia. Finally, in 1983, it received its present name, LASCO Umformtechnik GmbH. With the expansion of its product range to include sand-lime block presses in the 1990s, LASCO established itself with both divisions, machine tools and machines for the production of building materials, as a leading company worldwide. Today, in the 21st century, LASCO has the reputation of being the world's leading supplier of innovations and technology in both divisions. In this role, the company always moves the customer and his projects into the center stage. Professional analysis and long-standing know-how foster individual solutions from the planning to the realization stage. LASCO supports its customers from the first idea through to the service of the finished line. Especially the familiar but also confidential cooperation characterizes LASCO's way of realizing customer requests. For this, the company offers everything from a single source. From the first preliminary design and computer simulations on, the focus is always on the customer's requirements. Even in the design phase, LASCO can still react flexibly on latest developments and change requests, as LASCO handles the whole engineering in-house. All development phases, from projecting via the mechanical and electrical design to production planning for in-house production, are interconnected at LASCO. Here, too, the customer benefits from the LASCO concept. The extraordinarily high degree of the vertical range of manufacture allows LASCO to actively monitor and control every step of production in detail. The company also bases the production of machine components on its own know-how that has developed over 150 years, and checks their quality with state-of-the-art technology in order to meet its own high standard for every order. Highly qualified personnel care for the precise and professional installation and assembly of LASCO products in their factory halls, always with the necessary diligence and competence. Our customers can go and find out for themselves. After internal commissioning, during the final machine acceptance, project leaders and engineers explain technical details and make the customers familiar with their new lines. What is so special about it is that LASCO provides the right contact person for every individual planning and assembly step. The LASCO line is now ready for transport to the customer's factory hall. It's a matter of course that there, too, LASCO personnel cares for the competent and correct installation. And even after years, they support the business partner in service and maintenance. Whether machine tools or machines for the production of building materials, LASCO lines are known for their reliability and efficiency. For decades. To live up to its high standards, also in the future, the company focuses more and more on its junior staff. LASCO offers future graduate engineers numerous training opportunities such as practical semesters, diploma projects, and integrated degree programs. Close contact to colleges and universities is a matter of course, just like our strong commitment to vocational training. Right from the beginning, LASCO offers young people a varied and high-level qualification, and thus a successful start in their careers. With a training and subsequent employment ratio of apprentices always well above average, the company makes a contribution to the business location Germany and, in addition, offers a highly qualified staff of future in their home country. LASCO Umformtechnik GmbH has been a leading global player for many years in the world market, both for machine tools and machines for the production of building materials. From the headquarters in Coburg, or from our subsidiaries LASCO Engineering Services in Monroe, Michigan, and LASCO Forming Technology Company Limited in Beijing, the company supports and supplies more than 1,000 customers all over the world. Being an experienced machine tool builder, LASCO is neither afraid of size nor of weight. On the contrary, the name LASCO stands for controllability, thanks to its solid technical basis and innovative spirit. The range of LASCO forming solutions convinces by efficiency and economy, and above all by individual customization to tasks and application features. Today, hydraulic presses play an important role in industrial solid forming. Often, they are the core component of individual automation solutions. Hydraulic LASCO presses for hot, warm, and cold solid forming offer considerable advantages due to their versatile options. Another important component of LASCO's product portfolio are hydraulic presses for sheet metal forming. The newly developed hydraulic servo direct drive convinces with an increase in economy and a clearly higher coefficient of efficiency. However, the company has also remained faithful to its roots. As early as 1880, the first drop hammer was produced. In 1952, the company received the patent number 974854 for the newly developed electro-oil hydraulic die forging hammer. And still today, hydraulic forgings hammers are part of the product portfolio. Of course, the first machines dating back to the 19th century don't have very much in common with the present hydraulic die forging hammers anymore. The fully automated lines meet the technological and economical requirements of the 21st century. The technical engineering know-how and the skills of our graduate engineers also becomes obvious in the field of screw presses. LASCO screw presses are equipped with an electric direct drive directly connected with the flywheel and the screw. Especially the individual interplay of machine and process technology provides sophisticated solutions and allows the production of precise high-quality components made from steel and non-ferrous metals. LASCO offers solutions for rolling with its range of forging and cross-wedge rolls. Used for pre- and finish forming, they contribute a great deal to the quality of the produced components. Highly dynamic speed-controlled torque motors drive the roll directly and allow optimum adaptation to customer requirements. Very sensitive clutches and brakes requiring much maintenance are completely avoided, and the patented rapid tool changing system offers additional benefits to the customer. Electro-upsetting is a combination of two different processes. The technological limits of other forming methods can often be overcome by partial heating and upsetting in one machine. Here too, LASCO has the know-how to offer a variety of project-related solutions. What is more, the lines can also be integrated into existing production processes without any problems. Moreover, LASCO generates synergies. The art of engineering, together with economic thinking, fosters process optimization through automation. Rising customer requirements lead to more and more complex forming methods and demand reproducible processes. LASCO forming units are therefore specially optimized for automation and offer both partially and fully automated solutions. With these options, LASCO continues supporting its customers on their way into a successful future. LASCO is setting the same high standards in its second business division, machines for the production of building materials. Individual solutions for customers and innovations for the whole industry are the trademark of the company. Sand-lime block presses of the KSP range are the productive backbone of the sand-lime block industry of the 21st century. The main feature of the KSP is compaction by the hydraulically driven upper and lower punches. The position-controlled punch movements optimize the formation of the pressure profile and leads to homogeneous compaction with block accuracies in the 1/10 millimeter range. Measuring systems continuously monitor punch travel and press forces. Control algorithms stored in the machine control correct the filling height actively to make sure that with each stroke, green blocks with high dimensional stability and consistent compaction are produced. Through KSE presses with single-acting compaction, LASCO offers a solution especially for the economic production of small formats. Particularly the compact design allows the use of these presses in factory halls with low heights or low press basements, for example, for plant modernizations. The press is suitable both for the production of traditional sand-lime blocks and for materials with regional aggregates like fly ash and slag. The LASCO Vario Block Press PSP is a real innovation. Vario blocks and supplementary blocks are generally produced with the PSP system in a compaction process. This means that sawing of large volume building materials can be avoided. Variable block lengths can be produced with a patented mold system. The sliding multiform tooling allows the unique adaptation to all wall thicknesses within seconds. Through both length and height optimization in the compaction process, the raw material input is reduced and waste is avoided. LASCO was awarded the Bauma Innovation Prize for this ecological mode of operation in 2007.